Animal and bird quiz. Ready to test how well you know the creatures we share this planet with? Birds and animals have a few surprises for you. Think you can handle them? 1. Which animal can clone itself without a partner? Starfish. 2. Which bird can dive deeper than 500 meters? Penguin. 3. Which creature makes the loudest sound relative to its size? Pistol shrimp. 4. Which animal can regenerate lost body parts? Jellyfish. 5. Which bird lays the biggest eggs? Ostrich. If you made it to the end, you're amazing. Comment how many you got right, and subscribe for even more quizzes.